Insects are incredibly diverse and can be found in almost every environment on Earth. Deadliest insects can pose a significant threat to humans as they can transmit diseases, causes allergic reactions from mild irritation to severe pain, paralysis, and even death. Today we will explore some of the most dangerous insects around the world.
5. Indian red scorpion. The Indian red scorpion is considered one of the most venomous scorpions in the world. It is found in India and other parts of Southeast Asia. The pain caused by the sting of an Indian red scorpion is described as a burning, tingling sensation that can radiate throughout the affected limb or body part. The Indian red scorpion is responsible for a large number of scorpion-related deaths in the region. Its venom contains powerful neurotoxins that can cause severe pain, vomiting, sweating, breathlessness, and alternating high and low blood pressure and even death in humans. 4. Black widow spider. Black widow spiders are found throughout the world. Initially, there may not be any pain, but within a few minutes to an hour after the bite, a sharp, burning pain may develop at the site of the bite. The pain may then spread to other parts of the body, including the abdomen, back, and chest, and can become severe. Black widows are usually small but carry an unusually potent venom, which is a neurotoxin that can cause pain, muscle rigidity, vomiting, sweating, and even death. Symptoms typically last 3 to 7 days. Only the female bite is considered dangerous to humans. Each year, about 2,200 people report being bitten by black widows. 3. The giant Asian hornet. The giant Asian hornet, also known as the murder hornet or Japanese giant hornet, is a species of hornet native to East Asia. It is one of the largest hornet species in the world. The pain is described as a hot, burning sensation that can last for several hours. The giant Asian hornet is known for its powerful venom and aggressive behavior. The hornet's sting is extremely painful and can cause swelling, redness, and other symptoms. In some cases, the sting of the giant Asian hornet can be fatal, particularly in individuals who are allergic to the venom or who receive multiple stings. 2. Bullet ants. Bullet ants are found in South America. Their sting is considered the most painful of any insect. It is considered one of the largest and most venomous ants in the world. The name bullet ant comes from the extremely painful sting of the ant, which is said to be as painful as being shot by a bullet. Some people have reported feeling like their limb is on fire. Bullet ants are known for their aggressive behavior, and some people describe the pain as excruciating and lasting for up to 24 hours. It can cause intense pain, paralysis, and even death. And number 1. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are found throughout the world. The pain caused by a mosquito bite is usually mild and temporary or no sensation at all. However, within a few seconds, you may start to feel a small itchy bump on your skin. This bump is caused by the mosquito's saliva, which contains anticoagulants and other substances that help the mosquito to feed on your blood more easily, and it is responsible for transmitting diseases like malaria, dengue fever, yellow fever, Zika virus, and many. It is estimated that mosquitoes kill more than 725,000 people every year. Mosquitoes are responsible for more human deaths than any other insect or animal. There are millions of species of insects around the world, and some of them are harmful to humans as well as other living things. Some of them are kissing bugs, Africanized honeybees, botflies, flies, and many others. It is important to take precautions and seek medical attention if bitten or stung by any of these insects, as their venom or saliva can cause severe health complications or even death. Hit the subscribe button for more exciting videos. Thank you for watching.